Article delves into the concept of strategic creativity, explores its benefits, and provides practical strategies for organizations to implement it effectively. Understanding strategic creativity. Strategic creativity encompasses the deliberate integration of creativity and strategic planning to generate innovative solutions that meet organizational objectives. It involves breaking free from traditional and linear modes of thinking, promoting a culture that values and encourages innovative ideas, and aligning those ideas with defined strategic goals. Benefits of strategic creativity. 1. Competitive advantage. Organizations that embrace strategic creativity can differentiate themselves from competitors by offering unique and innovative products and services. This allows them to capture market share, attract customers, and create a strong foothold in their respective industries. 2. By fostering a culture of creativity and innovation, businesses become more resilient and better equipped to tackle challenges with agility. 3. Improved problem solving. Strategic creativity encourages thinking outside the box, leading to enhanced problem solving abilities. By exploring a wider range of ideas and perspectives, organizations can identify creative solutions to complex problems that may not be apparent through traditional approaches. This breeds a culture of innovation, inspiring employees to constantly seek better solutions. Implementing strategic creativity. 1. Cultivate a creative environment. Foster a culture that embraces and encourages creativity at all levels of the organization. This involves promoting open communication, providing flexible work environments, and recognizing and rewarding innovative ideas. Encouraging cross-functional collaboration can also stimulate creativity by bringing together diverse perspectives and expertise. 2. Think long-term. Incorporate strategic creativity into long-term planning processes. Align creative initiatives and innovation efforts with overarching goals and objectives. 3. Embrace a diverse workforce. A diverse workforce brings a variety of perspectives, experiences, and ideas, fueling creativity and innovation. Organizations should actively seek out and value diversity in their hiring practices, striving for representation from different backgrounds, cultures, and expertise. This inclusive approach promotes a more innovative and dynamic work environment. 4. Encourage continuous learning. Innovation thrives on a foundation of continuous learning and knowledge sharing. Encourage employees to pursue professional development opportunities, attend workshops or seminars on creative thinking, and engage in regular brainstorming sessions. Foster a learning culture that values experimentation, risk-taking, and the pursuit of new ideas. 5. Provide resources and support. Strategic creativity requires resources and support. Invest in tools, technologies, and infrastructure that facilitate creativity and innovation. Establish dedicated teams or departments responsible for driving innovation efforts, ensuring they have access to the necessary resources to experiment, prototype, and implement new ideas. 6. Promote collaboration and cross-pollination. Encourage collaboration not only within teams but also across departments and functions. By breaking down silos and promoting cross-pollination of ideas, organizations can harness the collective wisdom and diverse skill sets of their employees. This enables the generation of innovative solutions that draw on a broader range of perspectives. By doing so, organizations can position themselves as industry leaders, attract top talent, and build a reputation for being innovative and forward-thinking. Strategic creativity is not limited to, say, certain industries or sectors. It can be applied to any organization looking to drive growth and stay ahead in today's fast-paced business world. To summarize, strategic creativity is a powerful tool that enables organizations to harness the power of creative thinking and align it with strategic objectives. By fostering a culture of innovation, embracing diversity, and providing support and resources, organizations can unlock their creative potential and achieve groundbreaking results. Strategic creativity is not just a buzzword, it is a mindset and a strategic approach that can transform organizations. By embracing strategic creativity, companies can tap into the full potential of